All right, so here we have a 2015 Ferrari California. This one comes in white on blue leather. Powertrain consists of a turbocharged V8 engine, made it to a 7-speed dual clutch automatic. There's the front end there. We have LED daytime running lights along with xenon high intensity headlamps. Down here we have 20-inch aluminum wheels along with our blue Ferrari ceramic brake calipers. There we have the controls for our power mirrors. And then open the door, you just pull up here. Radio controls, or excuse me, gauge cluster controls, headlamps, parking brake. And then there's our power with power lumbar. And you also have a heated seat bottom as well, which you can adjust pushing up here. And this one also has the embedded horse emblem in the headrest. I think it's like a $1,500 option or something. And there's a view of the back seat there. But next, let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. There's that there. And there's a view of the back end with the exhaust. And then here's our power passenger seat with the same functionality as the driver. Now we're going to take a look at the engine bay. Ooh. There's that 3.9 liter turbocharged V8. Hop in here. So nice leather wrapped steering wheel here, and then we have carbon fiber on top and bottom. And then over here we have our radio. So I had to drive a little bit to get the camera to go off, but here we have our navigation system here. And then for radio we have FM, AM, and XM, Bluetooth audio, Apple CarPlay. Then we have our main screen here, which we can toggle through. There's also touch as well, so I like that. And down here we have dual zone automatic climate controls. Please excuse the glare. And then over here we can either put our reverse on, toggle the paddle shifters here, and then we have our hazards here. And then to open the hatch, or open the top up, excuse me, just pull this here and then it'll open up. There's view of the back seat. There's our glove compartment with the few manuals in there, and the rest are in the trunk. And then over here we can adjust our suspension, high beams, turn signals, and then we can adjust our drive modes here between sport and comfort, and then we can turn the stability control off. There's a quick look at the gauge cluster. And there's our key fob there. And the push button start. But now for the exciting part, we're gonna go ahead and take this California out on the road for a quick test drive. So we have it in automatic mode now, but we still have it in sport. Then we can just hit the auto button, and then we'll be manually shifting it. Just crazy. I've never actually driven a Ferrari, and this is quite the treat. And I've always wanted a California. And it's nice to be able to get behind the wheel of one of these. Shout out to Auto Collection in Murfreesboro for letting me drive this so I can kind of learn about them. Oh, hell, this is crazy. Very interesting how they put the turn signals here, which I guess once you get used to it, it's kind of nice. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm having so much fun. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Woo! Yeah, this is so fantastic. Nothing quite like a Ferrari. That is just so much fun. Just so much fun to drive. And in the auto mode, depending on the kind of throttle you give it, that's kind of how it's driving, and based on the drive mode as well. So I have it in sport, and it was just begging me to go ahead and get it as high as I could in the RPMs. Oh my gosh. So super, super fun. And this comfort mode is actually really comfortable. Just overall, really smooth ride. I'm just in such awe right now. That's why I haven't been talking. I've never really got to experience a Ferrari in person, and this has just been so, so awesome. But this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2015 Ferrari California.